This is the KM series battery monitor from Junctek, available in a range of sizes, and this is actually the largest, the 600 amp version. It's a type of battery monitor that's not using the voltage of the battery to calculate the state of charge. It's actually keeping track of the amount of electrical charge going into and out of the battery using an approach called Coulomb counting. So it's therefore maintaining a very accurate picture, and the percentage state of charge displayed is therefore reliable. That information is shown via a free app which can be downloaded from the Android or iOS App Store, and the monitor itself connects with Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, and this is the main feature of the KM series, the new Wi-Fi connectivity. And the main benefit of that actually is it means now for the first time this information is available outside the home, so you can be many miles away and still connect via this app and see the state of the system. Also this new version has low capacity and low voltage alarms which can be set up, and a power off memory. So when the power is disconnected, if you unplug the monitor for some reason, when you reset or reconnect, it doesn't require reprogramming. Installation I found very easy actually. It has a 6-pin RJ type cable between the monitor and the shunt. The shunt connects on the negative side of the battery, so one side of the shunt to the battery negative terminal, and then the other side of the shunt goes off to the loads and the rest of your system. There is a red wire which needs to be connected to the battery positive. The app and the monitor are quite easy to use. When the battery is charging, this animation shows in the background, and in the top right corner CHG for charging. Other times when it's discharging we see DIS in the top right corner, and then there are simple displays for the cumulative count of the amount of charging and discharging kilowatt hours. And if you touch these displays you can reset them back down to 0. There doesn't appear to be an option for automatically resetting those on a daily basis. The set button on the display gives basic settings such as language and time zone, and you can also set or preset the battery state of charge and capacity when you first install this. You can on the monitor set up low voltage and low capacity alarms which will show when the battery discharges down to those levels. I actually prefer to do that in the app, that's also available. And when that low capacity alert shows, it won't be cleared even if you press the OK button. It comes back again until you begin charging, and then when you're charging it automatically clears. The screen colour options, light or dark colour scheme, and the automatic screen off function that stops the screen being on the whole time can be set up in the app. So let's think about some pros and cons of this product. The biggest advantage is the connectivity. The Wi-Fi function means that wherever I am I can connect and see what my system is doing, and that's a huge upgrade from the earlier generations. The display screen has been redesigned. I can see at a glance what's going on with the system, and the information is displayed very clearly, and that's an important function. The app itself works very well, and the installation and setup was not difficult at all. In terms of some cons or disadvantages, once in a while the app takes more than one connection attempt. That could be improved. Also worth noting, there's now no external relay function in this monitor, so although there is an alarm that will display and tell you when the battery is low, there isn't a way of interfacing via a relay to disconnect your loads. Also there's no logging and graphing function built into the app, so you can't see the history of what the system's been doing. I do really like this product. I find it easy to use. It's been reliable for over 3 months now. No lockups, no need to reboot or disconnect and reconnect anything. Even through winter without a full charge into the battery, it's kept track of the state of charge very accurately. I think the value for money is pretty unbeatable. €60 for the smallest version, and this 600 amp version was €85. And overall I do recommend it.